Same report you can open here also. Okay. So I'm entering different value. Okay. June value. So here also same. It will display the same value. And now, if you want to, okay, now we created characteristic value variable replacement path, text variable replacement path, which and all we covered now. We created characteristic value variable manual default value. Default value. Okay. Now text variable with the replacement path also we created. Now formula variable also you can create it. Okay, we'll see by tomorrow formula variable with and conditions. Can you do it? Okay. One I will give you one practical also. What my requirement? I will give one requirement. You do search in the Google and get it. Okay. What my requirement is, we should have two dates. Two dates. Okay. The date is from date and to date. From date and to date. We have two dates. I want to calculate to date minus from date in the report level. Get the difference. Count of count of count of number of days. Okay. Can you do it? Okay. You just create for this formula variable and clue. I'm giving you clue as well. Okay. One formula variable from date. Okay. For this also create formula variable to date. Create two variables. One is for from date and one is for to date. Okay. Then you do calculation. Why we are creating formula variable for this? Okay. The two dates are defined as a char. Remember, while while you are creating char info object, characteristic info object, what are the data types? What are the data types will come? Hmm? What are the data types will come? Correct, na? Characteristic will come, numsy will come, dats will come, tims will come. You forgot, huh?
Okay.
While I'm creating info object, so here I can't create. Okay, need to go old version. Okay. Hmm. So here I'm going to create one object. Example. Judge mat is the example. Already they created. Okay, what are the data types? This is characteristic info object, no? This is characteristic info object. So here you can see what are the data types? Char, numsy, dat, stims. So assume like this is the dat. Assume like this is the dat. Okay, we have two dates with this one only, same option, characteristic info object only. So, when we create date as a when we create when we create date as a characteristic info object we cannot do calculation in the report level, correct na? So we need to define date as a key figure. We need to define date as a key figure. So can you define date as a key figure? So you do practically, okay. You create two dates with the characteristic. You create two dates with the key figure also. In Excel sheet, how your flat file should be there, I'll tell you. Example, employee. Okay, employee. Okay, employee. This is start date. Okay, this is start date. This is end date. You give the date. Okay. And also you can take from date. From date. And also you take to date as well. Okay. So these two start date and end date you create as a characteristic. These two you create as a key figure. How you will create key figure? In the same way, however, creating here, you need to select key figure here. Okay, sorry. I'll go this option. While you are creating info object, we need to select this one only. Z, which one? Start date example. I'm creating it. So see here, I need to select key figure. By default, this is characteristic. I'm selecting. Create it. You are creating key figure. See here, create a key figure. Okay. Description date. Okay. Start date, end date, something. Start date. Create it. Okay. While you are creating, I'm selecting what is this? Date only. Okay. Like this you created. From date to date. Okay. From date to date. Two are characteristic, two are this one. Okay. In the report level, do the calculation. End date minus start date and to date minus from date. Which one will work? We'll see. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see. Okay. You do this exercise and show me. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo. And you can take one amount as well. How much difference coming? Okay. Like this, you can take salary. And you can take location as well. Location. Employee from where company, which company. Okay. So you can take like this structure. Okay. You can take this structure, you can create, and we'll see in the report level how it is formula variable we will use. Okay. You will understand real time problem. Okay. When you are creating characteristic as characteristic variable, characteristic as a date, then we cannot able to calculate it. When you are creating key figure, easily we can get it. But in the real time, always dates would be 99% characteristics only. So that time we need to create a formula variable. It will treat like a key figure. Then easily we can do the count. Okay. Chalo. Bye. We'll see tomorrow. If you have any doubts,
No, no.
yeah. Thank you.